Okay, in the previous video, we have solved this kind of a large expression into prefix expression using the direct method. Now we will do it using the stack method. So we know, according to the previous videos, that we need to first reverse this expression and then use the stack method, right? So let us reverse it first. Reverse it first from right to left, right? So I'll say here, open bracket, so close bracket, G plus F open to the power, right? I'll say close, close, E minus D open minus C star close B plus A open open. Let us check it one. Right to left, we need to reverse it from right to left, right? Close G plus F open to the power close close minus E minus D open minus C star, right? Close B plus A, we open two parentheses here. Now we will do it using a stack, right? So I will say here input, I'll say here stack, and then I'll say here output, right? So let's do this. So first we will scan from left to right this expression, right? Left to right. So the close bracket parenthesis, push it into the stack, nothing in the output. Then comes plus. Plus is an operator, just push plus into the stack, nothing in the output. Then comes, okay, I'm sorry, after the close parenthesis, G comes, right? G, and then parenthesis in the stack, output contains G. Then comes plus. So after close parenthesis, I write plus and then G remains here, right? Then comes F here. F is not an operator, I say G F. Then comes the open bracket, right? Open bracket. Now I have, right, close plus open. So I have already discussed that whenever you have close and open parenthesis, and whatever is there inside this parenthesis will be popped out. So G F and plus, and this has popped out and the stack is now empty, correct? Then comes the exponential operator. The stack is empty right now because it is popped out. I say exponential, push exponential into the stack, G F plus, right? And then comes here the close parenthesis, correct? Then comes here the close parenthesis here, G F plus. Then comes one more close parenthesis here, correct? So we have scanned close G plus F open parenthesis, exponential close parenthesis, and then another close parenthesis here. I push it into the stack and this GF remains here, correct? Then comes E, so this remains here. I just put E here for the lack of space. I'm just writing E directly here. Then comes minus, so minus is directly pushed into the stack, right? Directly pushed into the stack, right? Then comes D, here, so I'll directly write D here, right? Then comes your open parenthesis here. I can write open parenthesis here. So I have already discussed that once you have a closed and open parenthesis, whatever is there inside it will be popped out, right? So here this whole this close parenthesis and open parenthesis will go out, right? So the only thing that is left is exponential close parenthesis and minus will be popped out. We have seen E minus D, right? E minus D, and then open parenthesis here, right? Open parenthesis, right? So we have seen now G, so close parenthesis, G plus F open parenthesis exponential, right? Then close, then couple of closes here actually, minus E minus D open parenthesis, right? Open parenthesis. We have come till here right now, right? We have come till here, and then we have this output right now, correct? Now we have finished this. Now we will scan minus, correct? We will scan minus. So minus will directly be inserted here, and this remains the same, right? Now we have C, Now we have C. C will directly go here. Correct. And then we have star. Now star is the incoming operator and minus is the operator in the stack. Therefore, if the incoming operator has greater precedence that of the operator in the stack, we push it into the stack, right? I push it into the stack and this remains the same. Now comes after star, now comes the closing parenthesis, right? So now I don't pop anything out of the stack, I let it remain like this, correct? And then comes B, I just write B here. Then comes plus, right? Then comes plus, I write plus here, right? And then comes A, right? I write A directly here. And then comes the open parenthesis here, right? Open parenthesis. And then directly we have another open parenthesis. Now this will be popped out first, plus will be popped out, matlab this two will go, and I have now, right, something like this. Yes or no? This is gone, right? This has been popped out, this plus is popped out, so basically the parenthesis also will go, correct? Right? So now I have something like this. Now we have scanned the whole expression, therefore this is between close and open parenthesis, so this also will be popped out. So star minus will be popped out, and then the only operator left in the stack is exponential. Exponential also will be popped out. So our expression is, this is our postfix expression. The prefix expression is exponential minus star plus a b c minus d e plus f g, right? Exponential minus star plus a b c minus d e plus f g, right? So we can check it from the previous example, exponential minus star plus abc, right? And then we go back here, minus de plus fg. So this expression which we have got, this prefix expression which we have got now here, is exactly the same as that we have done using the direct method here, right? So this expression, prefix expression, and this expression is exactly the same, right? So the only difference is you need to be very careful whenever you have two close brackets here, we don't pop it, right? Only when you have a close and an opening bracket, then I have popped it here. As you can see, whenever you have a close and an opening bracket, only then I have popped out plus and removed those brackets. Yes, so only then you will get the answer. Here also, whenever I had the close and the opening bracket, I have popped out minus. Here also, whenever I have had close and then opening bracket, I have popped out minus and star. Okay, let me repeat one more time here. Here in this, whenever I had close and opening bracket, I popped out plus, right? Whenever here, now you can see here I have exponential close minus open. So whenever I have close minus, I don't pop out. Once I have open, then I pop out close and open. That's it. I let this close parenthesis remain, right? Here also, this is an important thing. I have exponential close minus star close. So this doesn't mean that I pop out star and minus. Now I have to encounter close bracket and open bracket, and to pop out whatever operators are inside the close and the open bracket, I need to encounter a close bracket followed by operators followed by open bracket. This is the rule. I need to encounter, I repeat one more time, I need to encounter close bracket followed by operators followed by open bracket to pop out the operators in those brackets and remove the parenthesis. Here, see, I have two close parentheses, so I don't pop out minus and star. No, I don't do that. I wait for the close bracket and then I pop out whatever is there in between the close and the open bracket, right? I wait for the open bracket, right? Here I have close, open, I don't pop out minus and star. I wait for an open bracket. Once I have an open bracket, whatever operators are there between this close bracket and this open bracket, that is plus, I pop out and I remove this parenthesis. Therefore I will be left with exponential close bracket, right, minus star, and then the open bracket. Correct? I hope you have understood this a little complex expression, a little large expression with nested parenthesis. We have done it using two methods, right? One is the direct method, this method, and another is the using stack method, and we have got exactly the same answer. You can play this video again and again to see what I have done. If you have any comments or any clarifications regarding this conversion, you can actually write it in the comment section. I will try to explain it. You can also watch the rules to convert infix to prefix to understand this much better. Thank you for watching.